Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tsioyn Charles. For those of you who are new, hit that pause button and click that subscribe button so you could be a part of the gang. I am on the road to 500 subscribers and I would love if you guys would join me. Today's video is going to be on this super simple, easy Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys stick around to see how I got this look. So I went ahead and already applied all my foundation and concealer. I am going to go in my eyeshadow base with the P. Louise base number 5, and I'm just going to use that to prime my eyes. So first, I'm going to use my Ace Beauty bronzing palette for this look. I am going in with the lightest shade and I'm going to pat it in. I want to set that primer and make sure that, you know, the pigment really sticks. Now I'm going in with the second lightest shade that's on there, and I'm going to use that as my transition color. So I'm going to pop that in my crease and just blend it on out. Now I'm going in with the two darkest colors at the end of the bronzing palette, and I'm going to mix those to create that perfect brown shade that I'm looking for, and I'm just basically gonna smoke it out on the ends of my eyes. Now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Flyliner, and I'm using the shade Cause I'm Black, and I'm just going to give myself a little wing. Bear with me, my liner was kind of, I don't know, dry at the felt tip and I couldn't find my other one, so I was struggling with this. Now I'm going in with my NYX white liquid liner, and you can also use a grayish silver color. I think that would also look cute with the black, and I'm just going to put a thin line on top of that black liner that I did. If you do mess up, don't worry, you could always go back in with black liner and I'll show you that part too. I'm sorry, like I said, I was having trouble with my felt tip, so that's why the mirror was so close. I just really wanted to see where the ink was bleeding from, so please excuse that. But I am going to go in with my concealer and just clean up the bottom of the wing, make sure it's nice and sharp. Next, I'm going in with my NYX retractable eyeliner in the shade Black, and I'm just going to line my waterline. Now I'm going in with a smaller brush and I'm just going to smoke out my bottom lash line with that the two dark browns that I use at the end of my eyes. Using my lash curler, I'm just going to curl my lashes before I apply my mascara. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Tarte Maneater mascara, and I'm just going to apply a good coat to my top and bottom lashes. for lashes, I'll be using Deluxe Lash Design, and I'll be using the lashes called He Wants Me. And for my lips, I'll be using the Ace Beauty lip liner in the shade So Gorgeous. And I'm going to be using my Hank and Henry's lipstick in the shade Te Amo. And I absolutely love this lipstick. It has like a glitter on the outside. Not too sure, the camera didn't pick it up that well. I mean, you can kind of see it, but it is so pretty in person. Alright, and there you have it. Thank you for staying and watching the whole video. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. If you like this look, then give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.